Dear friends, welcome to weekly view on markets. Markets have consolidated during this week. This kind of consolidation in the market may continue for some more time. So I have positive view on banks and financials for the coming week. So let us look at the indices levels for this week. Nifty closed at 18,203. It had traded in a small range of around 200 points during the week and closed with a loss of 111 points. Bank Nifty closed at 43,969. It gained 175 points and closed with a gain of 0.40%. Mid cap index gained about 82 points, closed at 32,550 with a gain of 0.25%. Small cap index gained about 85 points, closed at 9891 and with a gain of 0.86%. India VIX is stable at around 12.30. So this week is marked by consolidation in different indices, and the market was led by banking and financials. Let us look at sectoral performances. Most of the sectors have consolidated during this week with a negative bias. So IT sector gained about 1%, private banks gained about 0.5%, realty sector gained about 1.28%. These are the only sectors in the positive. Remaining all sectors closed with negative bias. Pharma lost about 2.9%. Media lost about 2%. Oil and gas sector lost about 1.8%. Healthcare lost about 1.8%. Consumer durables lost about 1.19%. Commodities, metal sector lost about 1%. Remaining all sectors were in the red, ranging from zero point 0.5 to 1%. Let us look at charts and try to understand what charts are indicating for this week. This is a daily chart of Nifty. After giving a good rally from around 16,800 to 18,300 levels, the Nifty has consolidated during the week with a negative bias. But still, the trend is positive, and Nifty has taken support at lower levels on Friday. If we see at the last candle, it has got a long shadow downwards, which this indicates that buying is coming at lower levels, and Nifty from here is likely to consolidate with a positive bias for the coming week. Nifty has support at around 18,000 levels, and Nifty has resistance at around 18,350 to 18,400 level. This is a chart of Nifty mid cap index. Nifty mid cap index also has given a huge rally from at around 29,500 to 32,500, and now it is consolidating at around 32,550 and 32,800 levels. So Nifty mid cap index has to cross 32,800 levels. Then only we'll have a positive view further on Nifty mid cap index. Let us look at Nifty small cap index. Nifty small cap index is also entering into a consolidation phase. It may consolidate around 9,800 to 10,000 levels for few more days, and after that we'll see. In the meanwhile, lot of companies from mid and small cap sector are yet to announce their quarterly results. So much depends on how these quarterly results will fan out, and depending on that, Nifty small cap index may give a breakout at above 10,000 levels. Let us look at Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index is likely to trade between 43,500 and 44,000 on the higher side. So 42,000 remains a good support level for Bank Nifty, and 44,000 levels is a resistance zone. So based on the good results of many banks announced during this week, like big banks like SBI, many NBFCs. So I have a positive view on the banking and financials. But having said that, a few days of consolidation in the index and the stocks may happen. But overall view is positive on banking sector. Now let us look at some of the fundamental factors. WPI inflation index for the month of April has come out during this week. So this has come at minus 0.093% comparing to 1.34% in March. So WPI inflation has fallen successively for 11 months. Now it is in the negative zone almost after 33 months. So that means the inflation, WPI inflation has been coming down successively. So which it will have a positive impact on retail inflation. The retail inflation also has been coming down. Mm. This is good for the economy and for the markets. If inflation stabilizes at lower levels, RBI may start cutting rates earlier than expected time frame. So that will be good for markets. Government has announced a PLI scheme, that is incentive scheme from electronic manufacturing like electronic components, laptops, telecommunication equipments, etc., to the tune of 17,000 crores, which will have a positive impact on the electronic manufacturing sectors. Investors can look at good companies in this or investing with a view of 2 to 3 years. RBI dollar reserves has gone up and it is almost touched 600 billions for the end of this week. So RBI has sufficient reserves. This gives stability to Indian rupee and also helps RBI to manage foreign exchange fluctuations. INR USD rate is at 82.66. Dollar index is stable at around 102 and 103. It is at 103.1. Gold price is at around 60,390 for 10 24 carat. Crude price is at 75.59 dollars per barrel. A stable crude price is good for the economy. FIs have bought 4,097 crore during this week, and domestic institutional investors have sold around 676 crore during this week in equity. The continuous FII buying has been supporting this rally in the market, and this buying from FIIs is likely to continue, and that will give stability to Indian markets. I don't see any reasons for big correction at this point of time. Quarterly results of banks and NBFCs have been very good during this quarter. So their asset quality has improved, and profits are also going up by 50% to 80%. Even some cases, profits have doubled. I have quite positive view on financials now. So investors can look at good stocks in financial sector and they will give very good returns in next 2 to 3 years time. As indicated by charts, the market may consolidate at present level for a few more weeks. The overall view for markets is positive here on. So investors are requested to be patient for some time, and they will see good returns in coming months and years. So this is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give your comments, share with your friends. We'll meet again next week. Thank you.